Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare butternut soup. Kindly share this video, and if you like what you see at the end of it, please give it a thumbs up. The ingredients we're going to need for this are cubed butternut pieces, rosemary, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, chili powder, onions, cooking oil and water. We'll start by preheating some cooking oil. Once that is done, we'll add our onions. You may use the white type, any can do. You may also opt to garnish your soup at the end of it with spring onions. So we're going to start by frying our onions until soft. Make sure you do not brown them because that's going to affect the color of your soup. Meanwhile, if you have not already done so, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I upload a new recipe. Once your onions are nice and soft, you'll add your rosemary, followed by the salt, as this is going to help extract the flavor from the rosemary. You notice I'm using fresh ingredients. I'm not using much of powder except for the chili powder, and this is because the fresh ingredients have a richer flavor as their moisture content has not yet been tampered with. So you're going to mix that. We're still making sure that our onions do not turn brown, so don't leave it on for too long. Once that is done, we will add our fresh ginger and the garlic. Mix that again, make sure the flavors are evenly distributed. Then we add our chili powder. You may use black pepper instead of red chili powder. Whichever you prefer is okay. Mix that up. And then finally you may add your cubed butternut pieces. The smaller you cut them up, the faster they cook, though the size doesn't really matter. Mix that thoroughly. Always make sure your flavors are evenly distributed. Once that is done, you add just enough water to cover the butternut pieces. Don't put too much water, as that is going to make your soup very runny. And we need our soup to be nice and thick. Cover that and give it a few minutes to simmer. Here it's ready, you can see it's thick, and we are ready to blend it into a nice creamy soup. Here we go, our soup is ready. Nice and thick, nothing but natural goodness. A very healthy dish for you. You may serve this with croissant or buns. I'm going to share my bun recipe in the description box below. Try it out, and if you like what it tastes like, what it smells like, do let me know. Give it a thumbs up and ensure that you have clicked on the notification bell after subscribing, just to make sure that you do not miss out on my recipes whenever I upload them. Thank you so much for taking time off your schedule to watch my video. Bye.